Now some problems from exercise from textbook. Okay, exercise 1.1. See, 1 mark questions. First question is a value is equal to 1 minus 2 3 4. 1 minus 2 3 4. Find 2a value and 3a value. Find 2a value and 3a value. Okay, 2a. What's the meaning of 2a? 2a is obtained by multiplying 2 to each elements of the matrix A. Okay, now see, 2 into 1 2, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay, similarly 3a. How to find 3a? 3a is equal to, it's a scalar multiplication, right? Multiplying 3 to each element of the matrix A. What you will get? 3 into 1 is equal to 3, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay, so value of 2a and 3a. Okay, see the second question. A is equal to 1 minus 3 5, 1 minus 3 5, 6 2 4, 6 2 4. Okay, question is find 5 times A transpose. Question is not 5A, question is 5 times A transpose. To solve this problem, first you need to find A transpose value. What's the meaning of transpose? Transpose of a matrix is obtained by interchanging row and columns. Okay, so A transpose equal to 1. See here, row is there. I am writing it as column 1 minus 3 5 6 2 4. It's a transpose value. We want 5 times A transpose. Now it's a scalar multiplication, multiplying 5 to each element of the matrix A transpose. So 5 6 are 30 minus 15, 5 2s are 10, 25, 5 4s are 20. Okay, multiplying 5 to each element of the transpose or A transpose. So you will get value of 5 times A transpose. Okay, next question, see, third question. A is equal to 1 2 4. A equal to 1 2 4, minus 1 3 minus 2 minus 1 3 minus 2, and matrix B is equal to 3 minus 4 minus 1 1 5 minus 2 1 5 minus 2. Question is find A plus B. It's the first question. Second question, A minus B. Okay. Check whether addition is possible or not. Here see, order is 2 by 3. Here also order 2 by 3. So matrix addition is possible. Okay, condition is same, right? Order of the matrix must be same. Here order is same, so you can add or subtract the matrix. So first find A plus B. You know, addition of matrix is nothing but adding corresponding elements of the given matrix A and B. Add the corresponding element. 1 plus 3 4, 2 minus 4, its value is minus 2, 4 minus 1, its value is 3, minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, its value is 0, 3 minus 5, it's equal to minus 2, minus 2 minus 2, its value is equal to minus 4. It's a value of A plus B. Okay, now calculate the value of A minus B. A minus B, remember here subtraction. Okay, in the question itself minus is there. Okay, A minus B. Okay, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus minus 4, that will become 2 plus 4, its value is 6. Clear? 2 minus minus 4, it's equal to plus 4, so 6. 4 minus minus 1, its value is equal to 5. Similarly, see, minus 1 minus 1, it's equal to minus 2. 3 minus 5, it's equal to minus 2. Then minus 2 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2, its value is equal to 0. It's a value of a minus b. Once check a plus b value here, 3 plus 5, right, not minus. 3 plus 5, its value is equal to 8. Okay, here not minus 2 because addition, minus 1 plus 1 0, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Okay, but here see, subtraction is there, 3 minus 5, you will get minus 2. It's a value of a plus b and a minus b. Okay, next, fourth question. X square 1 2 minus 1 is equal plus 2x 2 minus 1 2 is equal to minus 1 3 1 1. Okay, question is find x value. Okay, see, we know sum of matrix is again a matrix. Matrix equal to matrix. Equality of matrix. What's the condition? When two matrices are equal, that means their corresponding elements are equal. One more thing is their order also equal. So first you need to simplify the left hand side. Addition of matrix, see, add the corresponding elements. What you will get here? See, x square plus 2x. X square plus 2x, the first entry. And then 1 plus 2, its value is equal to 3. 2 minus 1, its value is equal to 1. Then minus 1 plus 2, its value is equal to again 1 is equal to minus 1 1 1. Now these two matrices are in simplest form. Now see, x square plus 2x minus 1, all the elements are there. Order is same, right? 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Order of the matrix is same. Now apply the condition. We no need to verify whether they are equal or not. Already given. That condition is given in question. Matrix A is equal to matrix B. Just apply the condition. Their corresponding elements are equal. You can observe, see, 1 1 1 1 3 3 is there. All these elements are equal. This implies x square plus 2x equal to minus 1, right? First element is equal to first element. Now simplify, that is x square plus 2x, shifting minus 1 to left hand side, plus 1 is equal to 0. This is nothing but expansion of x plus 1 whole square equal to 0. A plus b whole square, a square x square plus 2ab, 2 into 1x, 2x, okay, plus b square, 1 square equal to 1. So it's an expansion of x plus 1 whole square equal to 0. This implies x plus 1 is equal to 0. It implies x value is equal to minus 1. This is the answer. Okay, x value equal to minus 1. Okay, next question. Matrix A is equal to okay, fifth question, matrix A is equal to 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 4 0 0 0 4. Okay, one matrix for order 3 is given. Question is find A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose. Observe matrix A. This is nothing but a scalar matrix, right? A diagonal matrix whose diagonal entries are equal, we called it as a scalar matrix. Okay, you need to find A minus A transpose. A value is given, the question itself given, but A transpose is not given. So first find A transpose value. A transpose is equal to what you will get, 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 4. Okay, 4 0 0 4 0 0 0 4. Here you can observe now A is equal to A transpose. Okay, A is equal to A transpose is way. Okay, next see, find A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose, what you will get, all entries are equal to 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, this is nothing but a null matrix. Okay, equal to 0. Subtract corresponding elements, all entries are 0. Matrix whose all entries are equal to 0 is called a null matrix or 0 matrix. Therefore answer is not real number 0, answer is 0 matrix. Okay, here 0 represents this matrix, 0 matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay, answer is null matrix. Okay, next question. Okay, find the value of x. Find the value of x. Sixth question. 2 minus x, x minus 7, x minus 7. Okay. Okay. Find. Question is A plus A transpose. A plus A transpose. Okay. Similar to the previous question, A value is given. To solve this problem, first you need to find A transpose value. Okay, A transpose is equal to 2 minus x, 2 minus x, and x minus, or 2 minus x here and x minus 7. It's a transpose of the given matrix. Okay. Now add these two matrix. A plus A transpose is equal to 2 minus x, x minus 7 plus transpose 2x minus x minus 7. Okay, add, you will get 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, minus x plus x, its value is equal to 0, x minus x, its value is equal to 0, minus 7 minus 7, its value is equal to minus 14. It's a value of A plus A transpose. Okay. Next question. Matrix A is equal to 1 2 3 minus 1, 1 2 3 minus 1, and matrix B is equal to 2 5 minus 3 minus 1. Two matrices are given and one more matrix also given. Matrix C is equal to 1 minus 1 4 minus 3. 1 minus 1 4 minus 3. Three matrices are given. Okay. Question is, find 2a minus 3b, 2a minus 3b minus c value. Okay, 2a minus 3b minus c value. Okay, to solve this problem, first see, you need to find 2a value, then 3b value, then c value already given. You can do operation simultaneously or separately find 2a value, 3a value, then simplify. Okay, here 2a value, I will write it directly. 2a value is obtained. How to get to 2a? It's a scalar multiplication, multiplying 2 to each elements of the matrix A. 2 into 1 is equal to 2, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. It's a value of 2a. According to this question, minus 3 times b. 3 times b is 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 3 into minus 3 minus 9. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Then only minus c. It's minus c is equal to 1 minus 1 4 minus 3. Now complete the numericals. Here we will get 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 4 minus 1. Its value is equal to minus 5. 15, see 4 minus 15, 11. Okay, minus 11 minus into minus plus. Its value is equal to minus 10. Clear? See 15, 4 minus 15 minus 11 is there. Minus 11 minus into minus plus 1. Minus 11 plus 1, it's equal to minus 10. Now see 6 minus minus into minus plus 6 plus 9. Okay, 14. Okay, sorry, 15. 15 minus 4. Okay, 15 minus 4, it's equal to 11. Okay, then one more entry, see minus 2 minus into minus plus 3. Plus 3 minus 2, 1. 1 plus 3, its value is equal to 4. Okay, it's a value of 2a minus 3b minus c. Okay, check the values once. Correct means copy the values. Okay, next problem. A is equal to matrix. Okay, question is find A. Find A. Eighth question. Find A if 2a plus b is equal to 2a plus b is equal to 2 0 1 minus 3 2 0 1 minus 3 and matrix B is equal to 1 minus 1 3 0. Okay, b value is given. You need to see, consider the equation 2a plus b is equal to 2 0 1 minus 3. The next step, see, substitute b value in the given question. What you will get? 2a plus b. B value is equal to 1 minus 1 3 0 is equal to 2 0 1 minus 3. Okay, just substituting b value in the given question. Now 2a value is equal to, shifting this matrix to RHS, 2a is equal to 2 0 1 minus 3. See, matrix plus b. Shift plus b to right hand side, you will get minus b minus here 1 minus 1 3 0. Now that implies 2a value is equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, 0 minus into minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 3, right? 1 minus 3, its value is equal to minus 2, minus 3 minus 0, its value is equal to minus 3. Okay, question is find a. Here 2a is there. So next step is dividing throughout by 1 by 2. You will get a value is equal to okay, divide both LHS and RHS by 2. A value is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2 by 2. Its value is equal to minus 1 minus 3 by 2. It's a value of A. Clear, right? Only matrix addition and subtraction. Here you are just substituting b value and according to the question you are rearranging the equation. Okay, next question. See, next question is if a is equal to 3 minus 1 4 5. 3 minus 1 4 5. Find x find x. X is not a element, it's a matrix x, caps x, matrix x, such that, find matrix x such that A minus 2x is equal to 1, 4, 2, minus 3. So similar to previous question. Okay, you need to, instead of there A is asked, here x is asked. Okay, A value is given. Okay, just substitute. Okay. See, first consider the equation a minus 2x is equal to 1, 4, 2, minus 3. Simplify this one. We want x value, right? So a minus matrix or substitute value. What is a value? 3 minus 1, 4, 5. A. I'm shifting RHS matrix to LHS, so plus B becomes minus B, 1, 4, 2, minus 3 is equal to minus 2x is there, shifting minus 2x to RHS, that becomes plus 2x. Okay, now simplify this one. 3 minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5, 4 minus 2, 2, 5 plus 3, its value is equal to 8. Why plus minus into minus is there, right? Minus into minus plus 5 plus 3, 8 is equal to 2x. Okay. Now we want x value, same procedure, dividing throughout by 2. Okay, x value is equal to 2 by 2, 1, minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 2 by 2, 1, 8 by 2, its value is equal to 4. It's a value of x. Okay, clear? Okay. Next question. A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Okay, see matrix A. Okay, 11th question maybe. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Since we are in matrix chapter, clearly A, B and C are matrix. Addition of matrix is again a matrix. Okay, it's not a real number 0. Here they are given. See, if A plus B plus C equal to 0, where okay, A is equal to 3 minus 1 2 0 1 4 2 0 1 4. It's a matrix A. And matrix B is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 4 2 minus 3 3. Matrix B is given. Question is find C. Okay, now here just use the algebra of the matrices. Sum of 2 or 3 matrix is again a matrix. 0 is given. See the order of the matrix A. Order of this matrix A is equal to 3 by 2. Here also 3 by 2. Algebra addition is possible or subtraction is possible. Now see, null matrix is given. This is a null matrix of order 3 or order 2 or order 4. Here which null matrix you need to consider? Just check the order of the A and B. Order of A is equal to, here see, 3 by 2. Here also order of this matrix equal to 3 by 2. Therefore 0 is not a real number 0. It's a null matrix of order 3 by 2. But here you can simplify it directly. Consider the equation A plus B plus C equal to 0 matrix. Okay, question is C value. Okay, so substitute the values. A value is equal to 3 minus 1 2 0 1 4 A plus B value is equal to 2 -1, -4, 2, -3, 3 plus C is equal to 0. Remember, 0 means it's a 0 matrix. Okay. Next, add those two matrices. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then -1, -1, its value is equal to -2. 2 minus 4, -2. Then 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 1 minus 3, its value is equal to -2. 4 plus 3, its value is equal to 7. Plus C is equal to 0. Now C value is equal to minus of, okay, C value is equal to minus of 5 minus 2 minus 2 2 minus 2 7. Shifting this matrix C, just assume it's a matrix A. A plus C equal to 0. What is C? C is equal to C. A plus C is equal to 0. What is C? C is equal to minus of A. Okay. So here you will get minus sign. Scalar multiplication. Scalar is -1. Okay. So C value is equal to -5. Minus into minus plus 2. Again plus 2. Here -2. Then minus into minus 2. 7 into -1 -7. This is the value of matrix C. Clear? Okay. See the next problem. So very important 1 mark question for annual examinations. Given question is find x, okay, such that okay, one matrix 3x 4 7 is symmetric. Given matrix is a symmetric matrix. Okay. To find x, just use the definition of the symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix means for any square matrix A, if A is equal to A transpose, we call that matrix as a symmetric matrix. Okay. So I am considering A is equal to 3x 4 7. Since A is symmetric, what's the condition? A is equal to, or A transpose is equal to A. What is A transpose here? See, take the transpose of this matrix 3x 4 7. Okay, 3x 4 7 is equal to matrix A. What is matrix A? 3x 4 7. Okay. Now see, two matrices are equal. Order is same and also their corresponding elements also equal. Compare 3 is there, 4 is equal to x. X is equal to 4. It's the same, right? 7 is equal to 7. By this you can write directly. Comparing the matrix 4 equal to x, or x value is equal to 4. It's a very important question. Just use the definition of the symmetric matrix. Okay. Symmetric means A transpose is equal to A. Okay. Now see next question. Okay. If 2a minus 1 5, b plus 3 0 is a skew symmetric matrix. Is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Find A and B. Okay. Use the definition of the skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Suppose given matrix A is equal to 2a minus 1 5 B plus 3 and 0. This is a given matrix A. What's the condition? A transpose is equal to minus A. Okay. See, to solve this question, first you need to find A transpose, then you need to calculate minus A value. Okay. Calculate the value one by one. First I am calculating A transpose. A transpose is equal to 2A minus 1, 5. Okay, writing this row as column. B plus 3, 0. Okay, it's a transpose value. Then what is minus A? Minus A value is equal to minus A value minus 2A plus 1, right? Minus into 2A, minus 2A plus 1, minus 5, minus B, minus 3, right? Minus B, minus 3, 0. Okay, 0 is there. Okay. Now, compare. Use the condition. They are given that matrix is a skew symmetric. So, A transpose is equal to minus A. What is A transpose value? 2A minus 1, B plus 3, right? B plus 3, 5, 0 is equal to minus A. What is minus A value? Minus 2A plus 1, minus 5, minus B minus 3 and 0. Okay. Now, use the definition equality of matrix. Two matrices are equal means their corresponding elements also equal. So, here see, I'll write first B plus 3 is equal to minus 5. B plus 3 is equal to minus 5. What you will get B? B is equal to minus 5 minus 3. B value is equal to minus 8. Okay. No need to compare one more B with any other number. Okay. Now find A value. See, 2A minus 1 is equal to minus 2A plus 1. Corresponding elements are equal. Okay. Now see, simplify this one. Shift this minus 2A to LHS. 2A minus 2A becomes plus 2A. 4A is equal to minus 1. Shifting that to RHS is equal to plus 2. Then here see, dividing throughout by 2. 2A is equal to 1, or A value is equal to 1 by 2, right? A value is equal to 1 by 2. It's a value of A and B. Okay, clear? A value is equal to 1 by 2, B value is equal to minus 8. Just using the definition of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Okay. This is all about 1 mark questions, then 2 marks questions. Okay, 2 marks questions from the exercise 1.1 in your textbook. Okay, see the first question. A value is equal to 4 minus 1 0 3, 4 minus 1 0 3, 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3. Okay, find 5 times A divided by 2. Okay, second question is minus 2A divided by 3, minus 2A by 3. Okay, how to solve that question? Okay, matrix A is given. Okay, to solve that question, first consider the first problem, 5 times A by 2. First calculate 5 times A. What is 5 times A? 5 4s are 20. Okay, here I'll write 5 times A is equal to 20 minus 5, 0, 15, 10 minus 15. Okay, it's a 5 times A. Then next step is 5 times A divided by 2. It's again a scalar multiplication, right? Multiplying 1 by 2, each 1 by 2 to each elements of the matrix 5 times A. So 5A divided by 2 is equal to 20 by 2, it's equal to 10. minus 5 by 2, 0 by 2 0, 15 divided by 2, 10 by 2 is equal to 5 minus 15 divided by 2. It's a value of 5a divided by 2. Then next is the second question is minus 2a divided by 3. Okay. First find minus 2a. Minus 2a is equal to, how to get minus 2a? Similar to 5 times a. Okay. Minus 2a is multiplying minus 2 to the matrix A. Minus 2 into 4 is equal to minus 8. Minus 2 into minus 1, that is equal to plus 2. 0 minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Minus 2 into 2, its value is equal to minus 4. Minus 2 into minus 3, it's equal to plus 6. Now see, minus 2a divided by 3. Minus 2a divided by 3. What's the meaning? You need to divide each element of minus 2a by the number 3. So you'll get minus 8 by 3, minus 8 by 3. Then here 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Here 0 by 3, 0. Minus 6 by plus 3. Its value is equal to minus 2. Minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3. 6 by 3. 6 by 3, its value is equal to 2. The value of minus 2a by 3. Just scalar multiplication and some algebras. Okay. Next problem, see. Matrix A is equal to 1, 3, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 1, 0, 2. And matrix B is equal to 4, minus 1, 2, 4 minus 1, 2, 1, 3, minus 2. 1, 3, minus 2. Question is, first question, 2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b. Second question, a minus 3b. A minus 3b. Okay. Take the first question. First find 2a value. What you will get? 2a. Same procedure. Multiplying 2 to each elements of the matrix A. You will get 2, 3 is 6, minus 2, then minus 2, 0, 4. It's a value of 2a. Multiplying 2 to each element of the matrix A. Okay. Plus 3 times b. 3 times b means 4 3 is 12, minus 3, 6, 3, 9, minus 6. Okay. This is a 2a plus 3b. Now simplify this matrix. See, 2 plus 12, 14, 6 minus 3, 3, minus 2 plus 6, plus 4, minus 2 plus 3, 1, 0 plus 9, it's a 9, 4 minus 6, its value is equal to minus 2. It's a value of 2a plus 3b. See the second problem, a minus 3b. A minus 3b. Okay. What is A? Given question 1, 3, minus 1, 1, 0, 2, A. Okay. Minus 3 times B. That means multiplying 3 to each element of the matrix B. We will get 4 3 is 12, minus 3, 6, 3, 3 is 9, minus 3 into 2 is equal to minus 6. Okay. Now simplify, its value is equal to 1 minus 12, it's equal to minus 11. 3 minus into minus 3 plus 3, its value is equal to 6. Minus 1 minus 6, its value is equal to minus 7. Now see, 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 value is equal to minus 2. 0 minus 9, minus 9. 2 minus into minus plus 6, right? Minus into minus plus 6. 2 plus 6, its value is equal to 8. It's a value of a minus 3. Okay,